Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna adjust this last little bit here, right here, so it's gonna reach in. And we are almost there, guys. So I'm gonna about an inch. Almost measure it. It's about an inch. I'm gonna go unscrew this. Hopefully, it's got an inch of thread in here. About an inch. Check that. See if that will attach. Just barely. Uh-oh. Hope that doesn't touch. That was a part of the deal. And then all right, that is pretty light. Okay, we're gonna back this, tighten this nut, lock it in place. Yep. Cool. Oh, I actually locked that crooked. I didn't know that was something you could do. There you go. Apparently you can make sure that's straight before you lock it. Or maybe lock it in place after you screw it in, really. I mean, not gonna make that much of a difference. But I'll double check it when I do. Okay. Start by hand. One of these. Oh, maybe not. Oh boy. I can't see. It's super dark. That's what I get for painting the door black. Alright, let's get this over here. Oh boy. Holy moly. Oh, wiggling, fucking sliding around and everything. Oh my god. What in the world? What in the fucking world? God damn it. Get in there. There's one. Two easiest. You would think they'd be the two easiest screws, but they're not. You know what? I'm just gonna screw this one all the way in. Oh, I'm gonna have to use power drill for this. I cannot get my hand in there anymore. Here's one half, all right, that looks better. I can line that next one up. Hey, you know what? This drill has a light on it. So silly guys like me can see. Let's try this. Oh no. What's going on? Oh, did I do it wrong? Yeah. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay, now I see why it told me to do that. Or is it just, it's rubbing. Oh, I put it down too low. Oh, the door is catching. Oh, shit. Oh, I drilled the holes too low. Oh, no. Mistake. It's too low. And now it's hitting the door. Oh, crap. What happens? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.